Okay, so I'm going to show one more shape in case you're still confused about this process. Again, you can slow this video down, you can pause it, rewind it, and whatnot. But for this specific one, I'm going to draw shape E. So you can see it's 4 cubes total. You can't see the third one; it's hidden behind here. So when we're looking at this, we're going to start similar to that last sketch, but there's going to be a couple different extrusions. We're going to draw a L essentially with 3 cubes. I'm going to draw essentially how we drew this shape here. Basically going to draw this shape here in a sketch. So to start shape E, when I'm looking at my drawing in isometric view, I'm going to click sketch. I'm going to choose the plane. We're drawing all these on the front plane, so I click front. You can click the front view on the navigator window, or you can right click and hit view normal to sketch plane. Does the same thing, brings you to that view. So I'm going to draw it over here to the right. So we're going to draw, again, this side view. So it's going to be one on top, one on the bottom, and one to the right. So all I need to do is first draw, click the line tool, making sure my lines are straight and perpendicular to each other, hovering over the points that I want to stay lined up. Great. Now you dimension this. Each cube, again, is 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch. So I find the dimension icon or hit B on my keyboard. And I can select the line, or I can select the 2 points that I want to dimension. And again, it's going to be 1 inch across, 1 inch. It's going to be 2 and 2. Once we have our sketch dimensioned, we hit the green check mark. Okay. Great. We need to extrude this. It doesn't matter which direction, so I'm going to hit the extrusion button up in the top corner. New. Yep. Now we're going to choose the face we want. We're going to choose this gray area. We click it once. It's still going to leave the predetermined depth at 1 inch. That looks good. We hit the green check mark for OK. And we have our shape here. Now, we need to make one more cube sticking out from this edge here. So it's similar to what we just did before. I click on the face. Well, there's 2 ways you can do it. I can click on the face and then hit sketch, or I can hit sketch and then click on the face. So for this example, I'll click on the face I want to sketch right here. Then I click sketch. And then I still have to either click the front view on the view cube or right click and click view normal to sketch plane, whatever works for you. Now, instead of drawing line by line here, I'm going to click the rectangle tool, but I want to hit the arrow key. I want to click corner rectangle. This will allow me to create a rectangle from the corner of an object. So I click the corner rectangle. Now I'm going to click this corner here, click once and release. I'm going to drag it to this corner. Now it automatically sets the dimensions at 1 to 1. It's using that as a reference. Excellent. Rotate it around just to show you. Now I can accept that sketch, and I can extrude that. So I'll go back up to the toolbar, click the extrude tool, click the item I want to extrude, and you are going to add. Make sure it usually will self-select add anyways. It kind of knows, but just double check. Make sure you're not creating a new part. You're adding this extrusion to this part, and you can see it here in the toolbar. And I accept that. And I'll rename this. This is shape E, and I can rename this to shape E.